I'm Anandita Salsabila, and I will take you through heroes, inspiring stories and legacies in this special segment, echoing the voices of heroes, the inspiring legacy. Malala Yousafzai, empowering girls through sport. London, UK. Nobel Peace Prize laureate Malala Yousafzai is expanding her global fight for gender equality through a new venture. Research Capital, an investment initiative promoting women's sport at both amateur and professional levels, launched in January 2025 with her husband Asser Malik. Research Capital aims to empower girls and young women worldwide by using sport as a platform for education, leadership, and social inclusion. The couple's vision is rooted in personal experience. Growing up in Pakistan, Malala lacked access to organized athletics, while Malik enjoyed full sport opportunities at his old school. Their shared belief that every girl deserves equal sporting access inspired this project, blending advocacy with tangible action. Since its debut, Research Capital has partnered with global icons such as Serena Williams, Billie Jean King, and Lindsey Vonn, and supported the Afghan women's cricket team, emphasizing equal opportunities and visibility for female athletes. Beyond investment, Malala seeks to challenge gender stereotypes, proving that sport and education together can foster confidence, equality, and resilience. The initiative complements her ongoing work with the Malala Fund, which continues to promote education for girls in more than 8 countries. Set to release her memoir, Finding My Way, on October 21st, 2025, Malala shared her personal journey from surviving violence to shaping a more inclusive world. So, Research Capital reaffirms her belief that empowering women from classroom to stadiums is key to global progress. That concludes our special report on the heroes' inspiring legacy. May their stories not only be history, but also a flame that continues to ignite our spirit. Thank you and have a nice day. See you.